Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to navigate Asana. Asana has a simple interface that helps you manage projects, tasks, and teamwork from one place. Learning where key features are located makes it easier to organize your work and stay on top of your deadlines. Once you're familiar with the layout, you can move around Asana quickly and efficiently. To begin, open the Asana and make sure to sign in to your Asana account. Use the left sidebar to access your home, my tasks, projects, and other main sections. Now click Home to view recent activity, updates, and assigned work. Select My Tasks to see all tasks assigned to you. Click Projects to browse and open your existing projects. Open a project by clicking it. Here, view its tasks and overall progress. Use the project tabs or views, such as List, Board, Timeline, or Calendar, to switch between different layouts if available. Now, go to My Tasks. Click on any task to view or edit its details, due date, assignee, and comments. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find projects, tasks, or teammates. Click the inbox to review notifications, mentions, and updates from your team. Now click your profile picture to access your account settings, preferences, and workspace options. Use the Create button to quickly add a new task, project, or other supported item. Return to the left sidebar whenever you want to switch between different areas of Asana and continue managing your work. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.